Hey, it's Tim here from Expert Power Wash. Cheers. We are going to dump some bleach on some clothes today. So this is 12.5. I have some here left over from a little spot treatment that I was doing the other week. This stuff is pretty fresh. It's about a week old. Again, you can kind of see how yellow it is. I had somebody ask about what kind of pants I wear that doesn't really bleach out, and short answer, just about everything bleaches out. Some actually holds up a little better than others. So here I got a pair of old jeans that I'm going to throw away. This, I got a hat. This is my normal hat that I wear. And then I got a cotton shirt, and then of course an older pair of the pants. And we're just going to dump this 12.5 on these clothes. A lot of times you're not going to have 12.5 being spilled on you unless you're pumping bleach. Most of the time it's going to be like a 6% or less, because that's usually what people are using to spray roofs with. But at any rate, let's go ahead and get this stuff dumped on, and then I'll talk about what I wear. So I'll just go real generous here on the pants. We'll dump some on the hat. We'll dump some on the shirt. And then we'll dump some here on these pants. Kind of like, wow, that's a lot there. A little more on here. All right, we'll let that do its thing. And we'll come on over to here. This is what I wear. It is Dickies, flat front, slim fit. Don't let the slim fit steer you away. They're not really meant for just slim people. I'm kind of your average size, 34-30s. These are the gray color. If you get in real close here, you can take a screenshot of this. You can get them on Amazon or Walmart. But yeah, they're just decent pants, just work pants. I'm not sure if every color works the same way. I've heard the gray and the blue are the good ones, but don't hold me to the blue because I have not personally tried the blue. But these Dickies work pants work pretty well. So always keep a couple extra backups. All right, I can fold these up later. Let's take a look and see what this bleach is doing over here. The pants are, it's a little slower. The hat, you can see nothing's happening to the hat. This hat was black. I'll show you, kind of compare. Mine has white stuff on it from working on ceiling tiles today, but you can see these hats hold up really, really well. And again, this is 12.5 and it's not even whiting out. So I'm sure that the longer we wait on this stuff, you can kind of see, just to show you how hot the mix is, the shirt's already, it's soaking through. The pants here, actually they're warm. That's when you can tell you have good SH, is when it heats up, when it's hot. So it's, and then the pants here, these are covered. These ones soaked all the way through. These are covered in 12.5. So just to kind of compare, these are already wetting out. They're soaking through. Look at that there. And they're warm. These are going into the trash after this video. So there's that. They're already whitening out. You can see that. The shirt, completely orange. The hat, this thing's wore out. You can see where it's bleached out inside, but that is the only spot where you're gonna get bleach on these things, besides simply fading out. These actually hold up better than the pants. If you get in real close to the pants here, you can see where they do fade out a little bit, but even a 12.5, like I said earlier, you're usually only gonna get about a 6% on your pants. And they will fade. Here's some fading here. If you compare, you can see the fade, and then these are darker. But even so, I mean, these hold up great. These have probably seen 20, 30 roofs. Could be more, but these are an older pair of pants. I wore them all summer. And even after dumping the 12.5 on there, I probably won't throw them away. I'll just run them through the wash by themselves, and that should be good. But there's the shirt. There's the pants. Soaked all the way through. Look at that. Compared to that. So you definitely don't want to be wearing jeans when you're out doing this stuff. Not if you're using chemicals. And again, pants are still gray. So, hey, I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions about where to get this stuff, or have any other questions or videos that you want me to cover, I don't mind helping out. Drop it down below in the comments. Again, if you found some value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll have more stuff coming out shortly. You guys all have a great day.